Yes, I know you've been looking for a replacement for Vidnami, something you can use to put together videos extremely fast without having to do any video editing at all. Well, Buy 9 to 5 has come through again because I found something that I'm absolutely loving that I know you will too, so stick around. Before we get into that, first of all, I wanted to show you that I do have a New Year's 2022 sale going on right now. For $167, you can get into the Tube Monetization and Automation Program along with all the bonuses. 55 hours of content, the absolute best YouTube automation program that money can buy. And that'll be ending as soon as January 1st ends. And once that happens, I'm gonna be drastically increasing this price for 2022 because I know the value that this program brings. I'm also gonna be taking away the bonuses and putting them as upsells instead. So if you want in, now is literally your last chance. So if you click the link down below, that'll take you right here. And all you're gonna wanna do is a completely free trial that you can try this out. So all you gotta do is go to Maker right here and then go ahead and click 16 by 9. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make videos just like this one right here by Brainy Dose. So as you guys know, Brainy Dose has over 1.75 million subscribers, and all he does is write out a quick script and then read the voiceover and then just put together stock footage clips. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So all you got to do is write out a script, or you can go and open transcript and then toggle timestamps. Then you can copy this right here and then just put this in your own words, or you can put it in a software that'll spin it for you. And then you'll have your script. Then all you have to do is read the voiceover or hire somebody else to read the voiceover. Then you put that voiceover in here and start working on the stock footage. Now this is where the beauty starts. So for this particular example, I'm going to bring in a Brainy Dose script that I made using an AI voice. We could talk about this in a different video. It's something I've never shown anyone before that I just recently found, but it's the best AI voice I've ever found. If I go to audio, I can just bring in that script right there.
It's very difficult to know how someone actually feels. This can be exasperated and...
So now I've got that in there, and so now I need to find some clips, right? So let's go ahead and find some clips. First of all, we're gonna get rid of this add text right here. So now I need to just listen and find clips that I can use. Now, keep in mind, normally you gotta go to Pixabay or Pexels, and you have to find a certain clip, which you're gonna end up having like 50 clips, right? So you usually have to go and you have to find 50 different clips, download all 50 to your computer, then pull them all into the editor, then pull them in one by one, and that's how you normally edit a video. With this, you don't have to do that. So let's go ahead, listen to the first clip.
It's very difficult to know how someone actually feels.
Okay, so we can do... We'll just type in relationship, and we can pull in any of these clips right here. So we can go and just use this one, and we'll just add clip, and then just pull it to where the voice ends there. Okay, so...